Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find manufacturer on DHGate. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing and e-commerce since the last 2 years. So on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and e-commerce, especially in Amazon FBA. So today's I'm going to show you on my computer how to find the best manufacturer on DHGate. So let's say if you already have Amazon store and then you just wanted to find product that you wanted to source, you can source this from DHGate. A lot of people they like to source from Alibaba, for example. The benefit of DHGate, it's kind of more westernized. In other words, in Alibaba, you need to communicate with the supplier and looking for customization and negotiate the price. On DHGate, you don't have those kind of things. You can communicate with the supplier, but you won't be able to customize, with your own brand name. You won't be able also to negotiate the price. So most of the price and the product here is already in the website. So I'm gonna show it to you here, for example. All right, this website is called DHGate, and let's say you're looking for product in kitchen niche, for example, right? And you can either just go to this category here, home and garden, lighting, jewelry, all these different kind, and there's more category here. You can look that also. And let me see if there's a kitchen niche in here. Household appliances, yeah, kitchen, dining and bar. So here. Alright, so you can just go to here and you can take a look, the product that's available for kitchen niche in here. Portable USB, iced coffee. Alright, so now if you already know what's the product, then it's good. You can just type the product name here. If you're looking, let's say this one here, see, bottle water sport. And you can check all these different products, bottled water. The best thing when you wanted to source from DHGate, you need to just click this one here. It's a superior supplier. So in that way you're looking for a supplier that already now this also, it has the star rating here. It's almost like Amazon. It tells you people like to purchase this product. Here is kind of very interesting here. It looks like a bullet. The bottle, I don't know, if you bring this to the airport, maybe the airport is gonna think that this is the real bullet. So 916 orders, so it means that it's already about 916 orders for this item, and it has like 4.9 star. So this is pretty good product. Yeah, I think now when you go to the bottom, mostly it's this one is 4,595 orders, 4.9 also. And this one, it tells you a piece price, right? $7.34, $6.89. This is per piece. But some of the supplier, they sell it to you by minimum order, like 10 piece, for example, right? This one $9.98, lowest price is $5.29. Let's say, okay, let's find this one. Okay, so in here you can choose the option, what color maybe that you want to purchase, and then the quantity. I think the more quantity that you get is gonna be more cheaper. in terms of price. And then I would recommend you using the DHL. Usually they give you DHL free shipping here, so that's the good thing. You know, you don't have to deal with what do you call this, a shipment. Different with Alibaba, most of the time you will have to pay, you know, for the shipment price. And this one, you know, they already, I guess it's already included, you know, in the product price. So in other words, you don't have to find, you know, how much it's gonna cost for the shipment price and the cost of the product price. You already know, you know, the shipment and the product price is this much. And you can see here 10 pieces, 29 pieces, 60 pieces, all different prices. So the more that you gonna get, so it's gonna get cheaper and cheaper. So if you buy 100, so it's gonna be about this price, $6.65. If I were you, I would just go to 1117, but it's too, I'll just put 120 for example. Then you already get, you know, this price. Or even though if you want to get even cheaper price, you can just go for 200. So if you buy 300, probably, let me see here. Oh no, 300 is gonna be the same price, so I would stick with this 200 pieces. And anyway, as you know, right now Amazon rules, you know, that you can only send 200 pieces of inventory to their warehouse for a new seller. And then later on, when you develop the sales, then Amazon will gonna increase inventory limit when you can send to Amazon FBA. 200 pieces, this is good, so you can just click this one. Now, this is another things that I don't like about DHGate. They don't have a service like in Alibaba. You can have an inspection, but for DHGate, you know, most likely they don't have an inspection service in here, unless probably you can communicate with the seller and ask, you know, if you wanted to the inspector to, you know, the warehouse and check this product, you can do that. But most likely, you know, these sellers, they will reviews. They don't want to have this kind of deal, this kind of things. But you know, this one, by seeing the review and how many transactions has already happened, it looks like this product is kind of pretty good in my you know, in my opinion. So you can just try first 200 pieces and ship it to your home, and then you can check it until when it's arrived at your home, and then you can ship it to Amazon FBA. I would not recommend you to send this to Amazon warehouse right away, especially if they know you, you know, you're sending it to Amazon warehouse right away. Then most likely they're gonna put all the junks in there, because it feels like you don't see the product, you don't know. Just send it to your home first and check it. If you like the product, then you can ship it to Amazon warehouse. So that's what I think the best things, you know, when you wanted to order from DHGate. Okay, so just take a look, you know, the quantity here, which one is more beneficial for you, because, you know, if it's 117, $6.42, why don't you just get it 200 pieces, you know, for $5.51 each? So it's gonna give you more leverage. It's more cheaper, you know, in product cost, right? Then this one, you know, the product cost, because you're gonna ship it to your home, and then later on there's another cost that you're gonna send it to Amazon warehouse. Usually it's, you know, it's cheaper if you send it through the Amazon Seller Central to get the UPS sent to the Amazon warehouse. Alright, so that's the most important things that you need to do. You can see, you know, the product review and the transaction, and then you check the, you know, this is the seller. Positive feedback 99.5, and this one, the T, is mean that like it's kind of the superior seller. See, if you see this badge here, DHGate top selected supplier. This is good supplier, and this is also a member top merchant DHGate. You can get the best service, high quality product, so this is good supplier. In this case, it has this badge here. This badge is mean that member is top merchant on DHGate. You can get the best service, high quality product, and positive buyer reviews. So this is the badge that you need to look for. The second is this one. Alright, and that's about it for today's video. It's about that how to find manufacturer on DHGate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's gonna help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. Don't forget to watch my other 2 videos here. It's gonna help you more about Amazon FBA in specific, and then internet marketing in general. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press that notification bell. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.